Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to pause workflows in Gohighlevel so you can temporarily stop automation without deleting them. This is useful when making updates, troubleshooting, or managing campaign timing. On your Gohighlevel dashboard, click Automations on the left side of your screen. Once you see that, click the automation you want to pause. Now that we are inside the automation, click Global Workflow Settings at the top of your screen. Then, scroll down until you see Pause Workflow. Here, we can set the workflows from a start date to an end date for the pause. Configure this based on your needs. Then select the workflows you want to pause. For example, we can select all and then add the date range. Once done, click Save, and the changes will take effect right away. This gives us full control over when our workflows run, and that is how we pause workflows in Gohighlevel quickly and easily. We can now manage our automations with more flexibility and avoid any unwanted actions.